Tired of manually updating every single app on your Windows PC? What if I told you there's a built-in tool that can update all your apps with just one command? Today, I'll show you how to use Wingit, Microsoft's powerful package manager, to keep all your apps updated automatically. Winget is a command line tool developed by Microsoft that lets you install, upgrade, and manage applications on your Windows PC, similar to tools like apt for Linux or Brew for macOS. To update your apps using Wingit, start by opening Windows Terminal or PowerShell. Wingit's real strength lies in its ability to interact with and update nearly any application on your PC, provided the app includes built-in support for automatic updates. The command Wingit list displays a list of all installed applications on your system that Wingit can detect. It's useful for checking which apps are installed and whether any updates are available through Wingit. From this point, you can choose to update apps individually or all at once. To upgrade a specific app, browse through the list to locate it, then use either its name or ID to perform the update. To update an app, run this command. To copy text in a terminal, use Ctrl+C, and to paste, use Ctrl+V. Now, here's the magic command to update every installed app at once. Keep in mind that this command will attempt to update every app on your system. If you have many installed, the process might take some time, and you may need to respond to prompts from certain programs during the updates. If you want to automatically accept license agreements for packages, so you won't be prompted for confirmation, this command is essentially a full system app update that runs unattended, even for apps that Wingit doesn't have full version details for. And that's it. Now you know how to keep all your Windows apps updated in seconds using Wingit. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.